Bafethu sanibonani ma South Africa mahle sanibonani ma Africa mahle. This is Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiski Ringasi vandag. As you know bafethu angivaye ngiyi-1 ngiphethe isikhokho sami esikhokhelayo sense of knowledge. Sizohlafuna i-game ye-Orlando Pirates ne-Polokwane City. I-league bafethu is heating up. I-league is heating up. I-league is heating up. I-Sundowns nayo it seems like ukuthi sebayiregainile iform yabo at the right time of the season, and nayo i-Pirates after losing two games in a row being knocked out of the cup final, and nabo it seems ukuthi nabo say they've already find their mojo back. So dala bafethu it's been years and years and years sigcina ukubona i-PSL log ime ngale ndlela ime ngayo kulesikhathi samanje. I mean both Orlando Pirates and Sundowns they've got 44 points. I-Pirates icore 31 goals, i-Sundowns icore 32. I-Pirates concede 8 goals, i-Sundowns concede 10. So this is very close. This is how close it is i-Betway Premiership. But before sizoyihlafuna i-game review Orlando Pirates ne-Polokwane City bafethu ithi ngifake out yami isikhokho sami esikhokholayo knowledge ayimfana sagcina kudala ukubona i-Betway Premiership mfana i-close kanje mfana yano. This season ziyakhala ziyalila
Hayi ziyakhala mfana. Isikhethu bathi hey
ziyalila
hayi sika mfana zile ku high.
zile ku-high mfana ziku-hot mfana.
Exciting season mfana.
Very.
Njengoba usho ngesizulu bathi sidumele bathini emantsumpeni.
Emansumpeni
Going towards the end.
Yeah.
And like you said, iLontuzane Sundowns they are very much exciting. Pirates now exciting. So everyone wants to see how is this movie gonna end.
yeah
When abanje we don't know how this movie is gonna end.
asazobani isteri
Manje asazi.
Asikho sure.
I know mamel. It's pressure games. Everyone or anyone who is strong mentally, I think will win this game. And anyone onga press ama panic button because in this 8 games how many games?
yeah sekudlalwe 19 badlale 19
Badlale 19.
yeah so badlala nga-30 ne
Yeah, badlala 30.
so sele
11.
11 games.
Yeah, in these 11 games, I'm telling you, teams they're still gonna drop points, and you don't panic, Mtwana, because I don't see them winning all the 11 games.
Ubani,
Because
you don't see
both
both
teams,
yeah
Chiefs. I mean,
Sundowns.
Sundowns and Pirates. I don't see them winning all the 11 games, but whoever wins the most important games, which is like Pirates, because we're talking about them now. They played against iLontuzane, Izolo, Polokwane. They won. It's the most important game. The next game is the most important game. Why I'm saying this is because previously Pirates would draw a game like this one, and the Mangbugele game Izolo. I'm saying there goes the Pirates again. Maikora iLontuzane in the 85th minute yakora. I'm saying there goes the Pirates again, dropping points when it matters most. But they're showing a championship winning mentality.
Yeah.
That's how you win the league. You win these games. You don't wait to beat Chiefs and then you relax, or you beat Sundowns. That's not where you win the league. You win the league game. So and Sundowns Bayenza consistently they know how to. They know which they can play Pirates and lose against Pirates, but these games they win.
Let's go straight into it mfana. Bafethu, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiski Ringasi ntwana ngibona lineup Izolo Pirates won 2-1.
Yeah.
They still in it. They are on top of the log right now because they conceded 2 goals less. They've conceded 8 goals. Sundowns conceded 10. They've scored 31 goals. Sundowns scored 1 goal more than them, 32. Very close. And Izolo, another lineup, different lineup from Orlando Pirates. Mahopa came into the starting lineup. De Jong, also they kept De Jong kuleya number 10 position and bampushela urile. Ilento engayithandi ngurile ngimfuna laphayana, but at the end of the day, Urile can play even as a wing. He can play even as a 10. It's just that because he was on form kakhulu this season when he plays as a 10, being Funamina as a 10, but he's a player that can start from the outside and also come in. And then out Young, he's got good movements between the defenders. You know, he can create those spaces. I think he's more clever than Omar Hopa in terms of Amarands.
No, he's
Young
very
in
smart.
terms, he's smarter than Omar Hopa in terms of Amarands.
Yeah.
You know where to run, and I mean, you look at the Umbata Makaula, very stable. Laphayana emitleleni Umbata, especially Makaula, allowing Umbata to join in because the Orlando Pirates, like I said, very consistent. They've been attacking with 5. Oh, wonke ama-attack wabo when they attack, they have 5 in the opponent's in the opponent's last third. So what's the performance? We bone kanjani performance of Pirates because I feel they've dominated the game. They deserve to win, well deserved. Polokwane City came into the game obviously ngokuthi low block and let's wait for ama counter attack ukuthi bazokwazi ukusebenzisa uDlamini noRamabu to counter Orlando Pirates whenever they lost the ball in certain areas of the game. But the Pirates, the way bebafakile pressure ngakhona, and Polokwane City, even if they also defended very well, I have to give them credit because they defended very well. Ukambala in the middle, no Batlhabane, Mathuludi, Nikani, Nonkaki, Nonkwe, the left back. I think, you know, they defended very well. The structure sabo, it was not bad because on another day, you know, should have been 5-6, you know, score. As much as Noma, the Orlando Pirates will be disappointed in creating a lot of scoring opportunities and only score 2 because I feel this is not that was not a true reflection of the game in terms of the scoreline because the Pirates had so many. I mean, they had first 5 minutes of the game, critical phase of the game. Polokwane City, Unkaki made a mistake. He didn't clear the ball. What we clear la shaya Mahopa. Mahopa waphuma no goalkeeper 1-on-1. First 5 minutes, critical time of the game.
Keeper makes a good save there.
Keeper made a good save, I think, but Mahopa should have done better. Should have buried that one, especially this time of the league out here. You can't afford like 1-on-1. We want no goalkeeper. You have to score, but we have to give credit to Ulom. Matebula, the goalkeeper of Polokwane City, brilliant save. We bone kanjani wena Ntwana?
Mina Ntwana,
Pirates
It's
before
no, it's like, yeah.
Jobang Shili Pirates, they'll be happy about winning the game, but very disappointed in terms of not being clinical.
uyabona Ntwana njengoba usho mfethu i-goal difference, it looks like it might count at the end of the season.
Yes.
So if you don't finish such chances, you are inviting a big problem and you might find yourself crying at the end of the season. Because by the looks of things, the season might be decided by our goals. So Pirates needs to improve kule part leyo.
Being clinical, yeah.
Babe clinical, they must check their chances because the season ingaphela vele ngama-goal. But then again, Jongoba Ushi's scoreline was not a true reflection of the game because Pirates should have won 5. So I cannot say Polokwane Ntwana defended well because if they defended well, Pirates was not going to create so many chances. But they came up with the plan which we're going to defend because we saw they were sitting at the back. They never tried to attack.
Yeah.
And they came into this game wanting a draw.
Yeah.
And I understand from Coach Puchu Gucci, Pirates is strong. You cannot go pound for pound in the Pirates. It's okay 5 or 10. So he tried with Yazin. Let's try to at least get a draw. But still for me now, aba defender kahle still because if we defender kahle, Pirates was not going to create such chances. Ama 1-on-1 angaka Ntwana.
Yeah.
Ama 1-on-1 angaka. Ntwana, it was poor for me in terms of defending Polokwane. So I don't know if you come up with a strategy ukuthi ushaye low block udefender, then you don't create so many chances. And then on top of that, games ephelile uyibambile 1-1 ntwana. They still but it's still a 1-on-1 umakhuphe. You cannot have that ball ulontuzane uHocho breaks, brings in a cross, ulontuzane athepa in I1 that's pull. But we are playing a low defense.
Yeah.
How does that happen?
Yeah.
So I think coach Nai, he would be very disappointed with his players. I think it's a lack of concentration from his own players. Maybe they respected the Pirates too much in Tuan.
Yeah, because when you check even like Joba Sisho Mdladla, you look at the shots on target, 31
Yeah.
for Orlando Pirates, 5 for Polokwane City, 3 on target for Polokwane City, 12 on target for Orlando Pirates, and 8. The Pirates only 8 big chances.
Yeah,
This is
not just
one.
G, yeah.
No, big chances.
Yes.
They were poor there. And
They were,
that's a worrying factor, because in Mamelodi Sundowns on the other side, we are born they are now, getting their form and they are clinical. Urenas is very clinical now. He came back now. He's been scoring very crucial goals. And Sundowns also, they are now starting to score more than 2 goals in a game. So Pirates, yes, they won the game yesterday, well deserved, but they have to work on that finishing in Mdladla, because njengoba usho, you can't have 31 shots and then you have 12. Actually, you have 12 on target.
Yeah.
And then you have 8 big chances and the scoreline is 2-1.
2-1.
But coming to the game, I think uMakaula no Umbata, that combo out here is very strong. It allows Apolis, no Muremi, no Mfukeng, not to worry in terms of defense. That's why Orlando Pirates, they don't care ukuthi badlala nani. Even against the Sundowns, they lost, but when they attack, they put 5.
Go, yeah.
They put 5 Lapayana, and they've been doing that the whole season very consistently. And it shows Guti number 1 Aksama Kuala, and they stick to their game plan. And they believe ukuthi bona mabayodlala, they are not there to defend, they are there to take the game from the opponents, which is a very positive attitude,
Yes.
To see from Orlando Pirates, knowingly ukuthi, remember, they are chasing the defending champions. It's not the other way around.
Yeah.
They are chasing the defending champions. They are the ones that are ama-challenger ku-boxing kahle kahle yibo ama-challenger
Yeah.
kahle kahle yabona yiwo ama-challenger manje ba-challenger ama-champion. So I think mina they played well. Joba ngisho, I liked a combination, some few moments between Mfukeng nalengamlaleli uDiong,
Yeah.
naye uApolice. I saw good combination play. It seems ukuthi naye uDiong, given time,
He's gelling with the
is
players.
now starting to understand the Pirates way.
Yeah.
You understand? Yabona, he's now starting to understand the Pirates way, and I mean, we have to give him credit. I think he did well, because even the first goal he assisted. He's the one that assisted. Yes, Umbata played him that ball. Pirates played good combination, and then Umbata played him, and then he shot. He washaya epalini.
Yeah.
He shot epalini, but ubona ukuthi une experience akashayanga, because he was coming from the left side, Polokwane,
Yeah.
which is the right side of Pirates. When he shot that ball, akayishayanga near pool, because I'm ukuyisa far pool across, because he knows ukuthi that's the experience there. That's the experience there, because makayidlala across, he knows ukuthi if goalkeeper ebamba mele ebambe icine ihlali,
Yeah.
makangayibambi
Uqhithelana.
we it's a must kuzomele ayibuyisele egamini if akakhona ukuyiphayela away ngaphandle. And Orlando Pirates managed to get that goal, although I felt ukuthi waPolice naye uke waba nenhlanhla kuyilo kwaba nesidididi laphayana unkaki naye le unkaki They couldn't deal with that ball. They couldn't clear their lines. Ipolokwane City. Police got the shot. Lapha kulibele kuyisivuthuvuthu. Goalkeeper made a save again. That was a brilliant save because police managed to get a shot. Kuleya nyaka nyaka
Lesasiphuthuphuthi
leya. Lesasiphuthuphuthi besilapha. But the goalkeeper was at the right place at the right time. He managed to get a save. And Mfokeng naye futhi akahlali laphayana as a winger. He
in.
comes in. That's why he's scoring a lot of goals. That's also another intelligence, football intelligence from Mfokeng to see ukuthi and to sniff to also anticipate action ukuthi hayi action ingale why mina ngihlale la let me
Come
let me
inside.
draft in let
Yes,
me draft
that's
in
why he
ukuthi if
score
anything
goals.
happens I'm there and kwenzakale exactly the way le ntwana Mfokeng iride ngakhona igame yaba endaweni emnandi ithe mayibuya le ball icethe wapolice acethe kuyishaya ugoalkeeper acethe kuyisave yabo kwapolice another header two yama-header manje I think or this season yaka Mfokeng akora nge-header 1-0 Orlando Pirates what's your take but we have to give credit to all the Pirates players but especially on the first game uDion.
Yeah, for me, Nalapa, well done to Orlando Pirates players because it shows ukuthi they wanted the goal. They wanted the goal. Everyone was involved.
It was 9 minutes,
Yes.
a critical phase of the game.
Uyabo?
Um,
Yeah, they were switched on. Ntwana.
Yeah.
They were switched on. Someone shoots, bola liyabuya. Someone tries again, bola liyabuya. Then finally, Mfokeng, presence of mind. They're realizing that the keeper is out. No one is covering the goalkeeper from the Polokwane City player. You see, the goalkeeper is out. Someone needs to go back and cover the keeper. Should anything happen, uzokhona ukulikha. So, but Mfokeng saw the opportunity. Wabajampisa nje bonke. Simple goal phakathi ntwana. So, well done to Mfokeng. But then defensively ntwana, I don't know when we won
did you see
kanjani.
the equalizing goal?
I saw the equalizing goal, so that's why I want to ask you, but also advise my player with Pirates ukuthi in games like this, Pirates always have the ball. So automatically, as a defender, as a goalkeeper as well, you might find yourself switch off. And that's how teams will get goals because sometimes uzo relax because you guys are always having the ball, and then nigcina nikhohlwa to defend.
Yeah.
Because Polokwane City never troubled Uchayini.
Never.
It's only that chance that came and they scored.
Yeah.
What happened lapha ntwana according to wena between uSibisi no Siema?
Yeah, let me show you. I think.
And ubani Van Rooyen because it comes between uSiema no Van Rooyen. That boy ran in between them.
Yeah, I think. Honestly, Polokwane City, then like Sishilo, they didn't look like they were gonna score.
Yes.
You understand, but it's a game of football. Joba Osho keep ukhuluma point ebalulekile ukuthi once team yakho as defenders, once team you always dominate the games. Sometimes you tend to switch off because you always have the ball, your team always attack, nina always nihlezi ni just nje nibhekile ukuthi okay mabayiluza lapha in midfield yethu kulunge kuphi. I think lapha they were caught napping. I think
by busy rest defense.
yeah,
So
rest
when we
defense.
have the ball playing,
yes.
we gotta have two, depending on how many players the other team pushes. But at least have two players that are watching. With if this ball breaks, I'm here to cover.
Yeah.
If this ball breaks, I'm here
Yeah,
to cover.
I think lapha in Orlando Pirates Joba Ushantwana they were caught sleeping because of Lentesisho Polokwane City never gave them any problems, any troubles. So I think Batate is into a bit lighter there, and then Baba surprised when Polokwane got that ball, and then the pass was on, and then that boy ran between the defenders and score, and there was no chance for Chain and as a team that wants to play to win the trophy, I think that also is not acceptable because you've got Usiema, you've got Van Rooyen, you've got Ubodlela. Okay, Ubodlela and Usiema, these are Bafana players, you expect they are highly concentrated during the game, even if when team yabo attack
Yeah,
or when team
yeah.
yabo party bowler all the time in terms of ball
They should
position.
never go to
They
sleep.
should never go to sleep.
Yes.
At this time of the season, at that time of the game, that's
Yes.
critical phase of the game, the last 15 minutes. And
Yeah.
coach, I think now as a coach, you get mad when they score you guma critical phases of the game. The first
Yeah.
15 minutes of the first half, the last 15 minutes of the first half, the first 15 minutes of the second half, and the last 15 minutes of the second half. I know about coach, but they get mad.
Yes.
Mababakora guma critical phases. So I think Orlando Pirates, they were caught sleeping La Payana, and Polokwane City got that equalizer. And Nami Temangi ngati, now I want to see. I didn't say it was going to be a draw.
Yeah.
Because ngibukela ibhola neutral, ngibukela nje game. But that's when I said to myself, okay, there's 5 minutes, there's extra maybe 5 minutes additional time,
Yeah.
maybe let's say 10 minutes. Engqondweni yami ngathi iPirates in 10 minutes to show
Correct.
ukuthi banayi character, to show ukuthi they want to be champions,
Yeah.
to show the championship performance, because on another day, if you don't have character as a team and as an individual,
Yeah.
mabankora nge-85 nyawa.
Drop heads, yeah.
You drop heads, you will never come back. But the Orlando Pirates, they've showed a strong character. They've shown a maturity. They've showed immaturity. And still after that 1-1, 5 minutes, I didn't see them panicking. I didn't see them, sometimes my players lahlela phansi ndoda. Maban equalizer nge 5 minutes. Utashayise phansi ngekhaya. Because why? You thinking ukuthi
Yes,
we had 12
Yeah.
shots on target. We had 8 big chances of the game to wrap up the game. Now so we want abanye ba jump abasilahlele phezulu bashaya ngomzimba phansi. But ku Pirates I saw a different body language.
Yeah.
Because mina ngicheck body language after that 1-1 ngicheck body language Pirates yamachita we Pirates.
Yeah.
Azange ngibone most of them bayenza lento engisho but baphuka umoya bawumoya instead
Come, let's go, gents.
come this go
Yeah.
ngone ne bench
Yeah.
liphakama
encourage
encourage
ukuthi-
amachita ukuthi gents we still have 5, we still have another additional time, we can still do this based on ama chances esiwa createile kule game. We can still create 2-3 more chances kule last 10 minutes. I think well done there from Orlando Pirates to show that character and to show ukuthi immaturity,
Yeah.
at that time of the game, critical phase of the game. But I'm definitely sure ukuthi coach is not happy about Orlando Pirates conceding ngalesa sikhathi critical phase of the game, because on another day against another team they will never be able to get the second goal. So there's no time and chance for stupid errors at this point in time for Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. But sesikhuluma nge-Orlando Pirates because USC esikhuluma ngayo zona.
Yeah.
And well done also for Polokwane City, even if they were under pressure from the first minutes, but they still believed ukuthi if they can have one chance, they will be clinical, and they got that chance.
Yeah.
And they were clinical, and then they came back to defend. I think Nabo, after scoring that 6 minutes, I think it worked against them.
Yeah.
Because they thought, 6 minutes, sesibaphulile manje,
Yeah.
igame iphelile. Kanti
Yeah.
Pirates will actually, in that last 10 minutes, they will actually faka gear number 6.
Yeah.
You understand, and step up.
No, Ntwana, yeah, no, well done to Orlando Pirates. My advice: stay calm, keep fighting to the last game.
Yeah.
To the last game, Fit. It's gonna happen. You're gonna lose points. But don't give up. Don't panic.
And again, I have to say, well done again for the bench, because the Pirates won a lot of games this season from the bench. Now, I'm a player with Pirates are so busy. I'm a substitute out here. So busy, I'm impact players.
Yeah.
And Maswangai came in, and he continued where he left in terms of scoring goals. He's been coming in and scoring those goals.
Ngathi leading goal scorer yabo, ne?
Yeah, he's the top goal scorer here,
got
Orlando
6 goals, I
Pirates.
think,
Yeah, he's a top
in the
goal scorer
PSL,
here, Orlando Pirates. Yes, in the PSL is their top goal scorer, and he changed the game. And we have to say he's maturing now. Umaswangai, whenever he comes in as a second half, he doesn't even have the problem yokuthi uyakwata nani. He just contribute and take the team to the next level. Well done, Mapaganea. Bafethu, that was Chabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis shuffling Tiski Ringasi. Bafethu, that was the match review between Orlando Pirates and Polokwane City. Well done, Mapaganea. Shapa, Mapaganea. Shapa, unlucky. Polokwane City, you still in the top 8. You still in the top 8, Coach Puti. You still have something to play for. Danko Bafethu, Betway Premiership yashisa manje Orlando Pirates 44 points, Mamelodi Sundowns 44 points, 1 and 2 Bafethu. Orlando Pirates they've got the best record in terms of defending. They've conceded 8 goals, Sundowns 10. Sundowns bona they are ahead in terms of goals. They've scored 32, Pirates they've scored 31. 1 goal difference. It's very tight. Ziyasha Bafethu, ziyabuya Betway Premiership. That was Chabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis shuffling Tiski Ringers.
Tiski Ringers.
Danko.
It's a wrap.